National parks in India. Gir Forest National Park. The Gir Forest National Park and Wildlife Sanctuary is situated in Gujarat, India. It was established in 1965. It is the sole home of the Asiatic lions and is considered to be one of the most important protected areas in Asia. Asiatic lions are slightly smaller than African lions. Jim Corbett National Park. Jim Corbett National Park is the oldest national park in India and was established in 1936 to protect the endangered Bengal tiger. It is located in Nainital district of Uttarakhand and was named after Jim Corbett, who played a key role in its establishment. Animals such as the Bengal tiger, leopard, Indian elephant, and python are found here. Project Tiger. Project Tiger is the most famous wildlife conservation project of India, which was launched in 1972 to protect the decreasing population of Indian tigers. Corbett National Park was the first national park of India to be covered under Project Tiger. Its main aim is to create safe and ideal environmental conditions for the survival and growth of tigers to ensure that their population is maintained. Some of the tiger reserves under Project Tiger are those of Bandhavgarh, Dudhwa, Bandipur, Periyar, and Sariska. Bandhavgarh National Park. Bandhavgarh National Park is located in the Umaria district of Madhya Pradesh. It was established in 1968. The tiger population found here is the highest known in India. This national park came under the Project Tiger in 1993. More than 250 species of birds as well as large population of leopards and deer are also found here. The Bengal tiger. Bengal tigers live in India and are sometimes called Indian tigers. The Bengal tiger is the national animal of both India and Bangladesh. The Indian Wildlife Protection Act of 1972 enables government agencies to take strict measures so as to ensure the conservation of the Bengal tigers. Kaziranga National Park. Kaziranga National Park is situated in Assam and is a World Heritage Site. Established in 1905, it is home to about 2/3 of the world's great one-horned rhinoceroses. The one-horned rhinoceros is the fourth largest land animal and has a single horn. Kaziranga National Park is also known as the home of the Big Five, as its inhabitants include the elephant, tiger, swamp deer, wild buffalo, and rhinoceros. Why is conservation of flora and fauna important? Flora and fauna are very important in our daily life. They recreate the quality of the air we breathe, the water we drink, and the soil that produces our food without which we cannot survive. Plants and animals help to maintain the balance in our environment.